Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So, 4-hour chart Bitcoin, extremely overbought right now. Why? It's the sensitivity of my mouse. And so I'll switch mice. If that one's going to be a pain, there we go. See, I have a backup mouse, just in case that happens. All right, so we had our little levels in here, our minor levels. Once we got through 94.48, you could move your next one up. This was a pausing bar right here. So then you get 95.82, and you see just closing above it, holding that, holding it, and then rotating up and spiking through to 97.44, but not closing above it until now. But we already got the next key levels. So, because that's a pausing bar. Now let's just take a look at the bigger picture and see what's going on. So if we get on a rotation back above 99.43, minor resistance 10,079. I'm going to be watching this 10,171, 10,399, so essentially 10,400, and then 10,531 is a major area. Support. Rotation zone, if we're looking here to the left, lining up with this little spike low. So you got some minor support right around 95.32. Major support all the way back down here, lining up. Let me zoom over here. So we had this little prior resistance ledge becoming support, lining up here, and you see those pausing candles. So that's a really good area, 9,300. So on a bigger pullback, 9,300 is what we are targeting. Daily chart. Here we go. So, see closing at the rotation zone, rotating back up, and then we get the move yesterday above this key area. Nice strong rotation back up. So we're just playing the rotation zone here. Key support on the daily. We're watching at 9,300 on the 4-hour, 92.26 just below that. So, but that's gonna keep rising. So I'd really focus on that 9,300. If we did have a bigger drop, I'd be watching for about 8,800. 8,800 is the next key level lower. Looking at Ethereum, ooh, look at this. So nice. I love these little levels. Really help me planning out my trade. I hope some of you are finding them useful because it's something I have not seen anybody else ever teach. So we had our pausing bar. Again, we identified 202.35 coming up there, stopping there. Next bar spiking just through our 205 level and dropping back down, giving us another pausing bar to this other level, spiking up to 205.23 area and closing back down. And now it looks like it's trying to rotate back up again. You see catching on the rotation zone repeatedly, and this little prior resistance shelf becoming support with the rotation zone. So that's putting the concepts together we've been talking about multiple times. So you see here, spike up, coming down, rotating back up, giving us our next key level. So above 206.25, 209.98, so 210, 213.71, so 214 to 250 is the next major level. Support area I'll be watching is about 199, 200, 199. If we did drop below that, then about 197. So between 200 and 197 is a very key support level. Looks like we might be getting a slight divergence, so it looks like it might be running out of momentum. We had a higher high here, lower high in the RSI. Just pay attention to that because it is an overbought condition back again, but it does be looking like it's running out of some momentum. But remember, you can have back-to-back divergences easily, especially on these bullish moves. But just take note, so if you're trading from the long side, you can always move up your stop or use some key levels to take some partial profits. Daily chart. So yesterday closing back above the rotation zone, and now not much going on. There's some very key up at this 214, 215 area. We've talked about that 215 area repeatedly. Very significant resistance up there. So if we do rally up there, make sure you adjust your stops at least if that's the way you trade. Rotation zone's too flat and narrow. So we're watching those 4-hour levels. If we did drop back down, I'd be focused on about the 190, 187 to 190 based off the daily chart if we went through that 197 area. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.